Hi, today I'm for the SAMSUNG Galaxy A14 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So just let's first open the box. So this is the SIM eject tool. And let's check this paper box. Here we can see the cable, the Type-C cable, and some paperwork. So the quick start guides, so safety guides, and the warranty card. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.